Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 17a from chapter circles. So starting with question number 44. In the given figure, AC is the diameter of the circle with center O, CD and BE are parallel. Angle AOB is equal to 80 degrees and angle ACE is equal to 10 degrees. Calculate first part angle BEC, second part angle BCD, third part angle CED. So you're given this diagram, okay, and there are angles marked. So I've not marked the angles over here. In your textbook diagram, the angles are marked over here. Now AC is the diameter of the circle with center O. So let us write down the given first, okay, so we'll get an idea how to find the angles. AC is the diameter. O is the center of the circle. CD and BE are parallel. So CD is parallel to BE. I can write it like this. Okay. Angle AOB and angle AC दिया है. So angle AOB is equal to 80 degrees and angle ACE is equal to 10 degrees. And now to find. So I'm not writing down to find part. You can write it down on your own. To find first, second and third. Okay. Now in first part we have to find angle BEC. BEC. How will we find angle BEC? Now students, let us look at the angles given to us. We are given angle AOB 80 degrees है. ठीक है, ये वाला एंगल दिया हुआ है. This is 80 degrees, okay, and ACE is 10 degrees. This ACE, this is given, this is 10 degrees, okay. Now are any of these angles useful in finding angle BEC? Yes. Now BEC is the angle subtended on the circumference of the circle, okay. BEC, E you can see is on the circumference, okay. So angle BEC is on the circumference of the circle. Now this is subtended by the chord BC or arc BC, whatever you want to consider. So this is subtended by this arc. Now यही arc या यही chord में is there any other angle at the center or on the circumference? So let us check the diagram. Now in this arc, look at this arc. In this arc or this chord, there is this angle BEC. There is also one more angle at the center O, angle BOC. So if I know angle BOC, I can find angle BEC. There is no other angle on the circumference by the same arc. Okay, so there is angle BEC and angle BOC. So angle BOC है like this. Okay. This is at the center, this is at the circumference. So angle at the center is twice the angle on the circumference. So if I know angle BOC, I can find angle BEC. उसका half हो जाएगा BEC. Okay. Now can I find angle BOC? Yes. Now we are given AC is the diameter. Diameter मतलब क्या straight line होता है? Okay. It is the chord, longest chord of the circle. So we know this is a straight line. Diameter टेढ़ा मेढ़ा ऐसे तो नहीं होता. It is not at some angle like this. Okay, it is not like this. It is always a straight line. So AC is a straight line where O is the center and OB I can say is the common arm over here. I know angle AOB, it is 80 degrees. So I can find this angle because this is forming a linear pair. AOB and COB are forming a linear pair, so I can find angle COB. So once I find angle COB, I can find angle BEC. Okay, so it's very easy. Okay, now in first part students we have to find angle BEC, and BEC के लिए I need to know BOC. Okay, so for BOC I need to use linear pair का property. So first we'll write down AC is the diameter of the circle. Therefore AC is a straight line Okay, straight line means always a straight line is forming an angle of 180 degrees. Okay, so AOB and COB both are forming a linear pair. So angle AOB plus angle COB is equal to 180 degrees. Give reason, linear pair. Okay, all right. Now you can also add over here is a straight line with OB as the common arm. Okay, OB is the common arm. ये straight line है, ये common arm है, which is dividing the straight line into two angles. AOB I know is 80 degrees. Okay, so we'll write down angle AOB is equal to 80 degrees. It is given to us. So therefore 80 plus angle COB is equal to 180 degrees. So angle COB is equal to 180 minus 80. So that gives 100 degrees. Okay, so we found angle COB, but our aim is to find angle BEC. COB is the angle at the center and BEC is the angle on the circumference. So angle COB is the angle subtended at the center by arc BEC. You can also write down chord BC, and angle BEC is the angle subtended on circumference by arc, same arc BC. Okay, so we can relate angle BEC and COB. Okay, now students, I know it is not required to write this, but I'm writing this down for your understanding, so you will be able to understand how these angles are related. Okay, so it's alright even if you don't write this and straight away write that angle COB is twice angle BEC. Okay, so therefore angle COB is equal to twice angle BEC. Here the reason is very important. You are using the property angle subtended at the center is twice or double the angle subtended on the circumference. Okay, now COB मिल गया, it is 100 degrees, so it is equal to twice angle BEC. So angle BEC is half of 100. Okay, so that will give 50 degrees. So angle BEC is equal to 50 degrees. So we found angle BEC. ठीक है, ये मिल गया. Now in second part we have to find angle BCD. BCD ये find करना है. Now students notice angle BCD, it is made up of three angles. Three angles को combine करके angle BCD is formed. So let us check. BCD, BCA, then ACE and ECD. So these three angles, when we add them, it is becoming angle BCD. So for that I need to know these three angles and then I'll add up and get angle BCD. Because students, I cannot use any other property over here. Okay, there are multiple methods by which you can solve and you can find the angle BCD, but I'll be using a different method. So if you know any other method, then it's alright, you can proceed with that. As long as you are using correct property and you are solving correctly, it does not matter which method you are using. So BCD ये find करना है. So I'm going to find BCA, ACE and ECD. Now students, let us check what all information is given to us. Now angle AOB is 80 degrees. AOB दिया हुआ है. Okay. Now again AOB is the angle at the center and ACB is the angle on the circumference. AOB is the angle at the center subtended by this arc or chord at the center. ठीक है, and ACB is at the circumference. So angle ACB is half of angle AOB. ओके ये 40 हो जाएगा. सो दिस एंगल आई कैन फाइंड. नेक्स्ट इज ACE. स्टूडेंट्स आई एम गिवन ACE का वैल्यू ये 10 डिग्रीज है. सो आई नो 2 एंगल्स. आई नीड टू फाइंड दिस एंगल ECD और DCE. नाउ हाउ विल वी फाइंड दिस एंगल? Now to find angle ECD, we will be using angle BEC. Students, the diagram is little confusing, but you need to know all the given information. So जो भी given दिया है सब एक बार वापस से read करो. Okay? Over here, both the angles are useful for us. Now let us check what else is given. AC is the diameter of the circle with center O. AC will not be useful over here. CD and BE are parallel. So let us check this. CD and BE both are parallel. And BE. Okay. Now this is the transversal. I need to find ECD. ये ECD find करना है. For ECD, okay. I know ECD and BEC are forming alternate angles because these two are parallel and this is the transversal. So these two angles are equal. And students, I just found angle BEC. BEC 50 degrees मिला है, so angle ECD भी मिल जाएगा 50 degrees. I can find ACB. I know already ACE and ECD मिल जाएगा from BEC. So we can easily find angle BCD. Okay, just add these 3 angles. So let us find ACB and ECD. Okay, now to find ACB we'll be using center and circumference wala property. Okay, there is this arc or chord AB. Okay, and ACB है and there is AOB like this. Okay, so this is 80 degrees. This is the angle at the center. This is the angle at the circumference. So angle AOB is twice angle ACB. Angle subtended at the center is twice the angle subtended on the circumference. Okay, AOB is 80 degrees. So angle ACB will be half of this. Okay, we'll shift to on the other side. So angle ACB is equal to 40 degrees. So students, I'll draw this over here. BCD है. Okay, I know this is 10 degrees. ACB I just found it is 40 degrees. Okay, now I need to find ECD. For ECD we'll consider this parallel lines. Now students, even if it does not strike कि कौन सा property use करना है, ECD या angle find करना है. ये angle में देखो we are given arrows. Okay, ये वाले angle में arrow आ रहा है ये आर्म पे. So just थिंक अबाउट इट कि ये पैरेलल लाइन वाला प्रॉपर्टीज़ यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो BECD. Okay, we are given CD is parallel to BE, so we'll write that down. CD is parallel to BE. This is given. Okay, you can write down the reason given. Now with the transversal CE, so with transversal CE. Now angle ECD and BEC are forming alternate angles. So angle ECD is equal to angle BEC. Write down the reason, alternate angles. Okay, you have to give reason for this step, students, whenever you're using the property or the theorem. Okay, so ECD I can find because angle BEC तो मुझे अभी ही फर्स्ट पार्ट में मिला था, it was 50 degrees. So angle ECD is equal to 50 degrees. So I found this angle also. Okay, So ECD मिल गया, ACB मिल गया, ACE is already given. So let us add all these three angles and therefore we'll get angle BCD. So angle BCD is equal to angle ACB plus angle ACE plus angle ECD. Okay, you can write down angle addition property. Okay, this is angle addition property. Now ACB 40 degrees है, ACE is 10 degrees, this is given, and ECD we just found it is 50 degrees. So 40 plus 10 50, 50 plus 50 100. So angle BCD मिल गया, 100 degrees है, box this. Okay, so second part also we got, it's very easy students. Now coming to angle CED. Angle CED find करना है हम लोग को. Okay, now this one is very easy. BCD जो हम लोग ने find किया और BEC find किया है students, that will be useful in finding angle CED. Notice this quadrilateral BCDE. It is a cyclic quadrilateral because all these vertices are lying on the circumference of the circle. All these points are touching the circumference of the circle. Therefore this quadrilateral is cyclic quadrilateral. Now cyclic quadrilateral का property क्या है? Opposite angles are supplementary. Another one is exterior angle. There is no exterior angle drawn over here. Okay, so that is not required. Opposite angles are supplementary. Now I need to find angle CED. Okay, so CED is a part of angle BED. Okay, angle BED. Okay, उसका part है angle CED. It is angle CED plus angle BEC. Now students, I know angle BEC from first part. I know this angle. So if I can find this angle, ये वाला angle easily मिल जाएगा. I just need to subtract angle BEC from angle BED. Now, how will I find angle BED? Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. BED, okay, ये वाला angle plus ये वाला angle is equal to 180 degrees. Angle BED plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degrees. This applies for the cyclic quadrilateral. BCD students, abhi we found it is 100 degrees. So angle BED is 180 minus 100, that is 180 degrees. So BED मिल गया. BEC we already found in first part, so we can easily find angle CED. Okay, so this is very easy. जो first two angles find किया है ना, that will be useful in finding the angle in third part. Okay, so now let us start with the solution. So first we'll consider this quadrilateral, and for that we need to prove that this is a cyclic quadrilateral. It is not given. Okay, so vertices of quadrilateral BCDE are lying on circumference of the circle. Therefore quadrilateral BCDE is a cyclic quadrilateral. Full word लिखना है. Okay, now since this is cyclic quadrilateral, angle BED plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degrees. Angle BED plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degrees. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. You have to give reason. Now BED is nothing but CED plus BEC. So angle BEC plus angle CED. Okay, I just split this angle into these two angles. BED is nothing but BEC plus CED. ठीक है, and plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, now I know BEC. Okay, angle BEC is 50 degrees. I found this in first part. Angle CED is the angle that I have to find. Students, angle BCD is the angle that I found in second part. It is 100 degrees. So angle CED plus 150 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So 180 minus 150 हो जाएगा. So that gives 30 degrees. So angle CED is equal to 30 degrees. So it's very, very easy. Okay, you just have to use the properties. Let's read the next question. Question number 45. In the given figure, AE is the diameter of the circle. Write down the numerical value of angle ABC plus angle CDE. Give reasons for your answer. Now there is only one thing given to us students. AE is the diameter. Okay, this is the only information we have, and we have to find numerical value, that is measure of angle ABC plus angle CDE. Okay, ABC plus CDE को add करके क्या measure होता है. Okay, so angle का value find करना है, but we are not given any of the angles over here. So what we'll do over here is we need to do construction. Now what construction? We are given that AE is the diameter. Now we know diameter always subtends a right angle on the circumference of the circle. That is 90 degrees वाला angle होता है. Okay, that is angle of semicircle is always 90 degrees. So what we'll do, ये diameter है, we'll join one of these, okay, to form a right angle. AE diameter है. Okay, now we have B over here. So what we can do, we can join this BE. So क्या हो जाएगा, B is on the circumference of the circle, AE is the diameter. So ABE is the angle of semicircle, that is the angle subtended on the circumference of the circle by the diameter is always a right angle, that is it is 90 degrees. So ABE क्या हो जाएगा, 90 degrees हो जाएगा. Okay, so we got some angle का value over here. Okay, so let us write down angle ABE is 90 degrees. Now students, I am joining BE over here. You can also join AD. Okay, AD भी join कर सकते हो. You have this circle. Okay, A है, E है, and B, C, D are the points. So you can join this also. Okay. Now ADE will also form right angle, correct, because it is the angle subtended on the circumference by the diameter. But I have constructed BE over here. ठीक है, it's up to you. You can join AD and you can use a similar method that I'll be using over here. All right, so construction आएगा पहले, join BE. Now students, this is very very easy. Okay, ये एक राइट एंगल वाला प्रॉपर्टी हो गया. नाउ व्हेन वी जॉइन BE, एक राइट एंगल तो फॉर्म हो ही रहा है. एट द सेम टाइम वी आर गेटिंग अ साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलैटरल. BCDE is a cyclic quadrilateral because B, C, D, E, all these vertices are lying on the circumference of the circle. So this quadrilateral is cyclic quadrilateral. And what is the property of cyclic quadrilateral? Opposite angles are supplementary. Okay. Now कौन से opposite angles consider करेंगे? कौन से angles find करने हैं हम लोग को? ABC and CDE. Are any of these two angles over here in this quadrilateral? Let us check. एक angle CBE है, दूसरा एंगल BED है. अनदर एंगल इज CDE, EDC और CDE, इट्स वन एंड द सेम. सो ये वाला एंगल इज देयर इन द क्वाड्रिलैटरल. नाउ CBE है, दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ एंगल ABC. वी हैव दिस क्वाड्रिलैटरल. ओके, BCDE है. This angle is there. Okay, CDE. Now I also need angle ABC. ABC is nothing but ABE plus CBE. So CBE and over here there is A. So ABE and CBE मिला के ABC बनता है. Now students, CBE plus CDE अगर मैं find कर लूँ तो ABE का value I already know. ABE is 90 degrees. So students, over here you don't need to do anything, just join this BE and we know ABE 90 degrees हो जाएगा. And ये cyclic quadrilateral है. Cyclic quadrilateral में we know that angle CDE plus angle CBE is 180 degrees. These are opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. So इसका value I got 180 degrees है. ABE का value also I got 90 degrees है. Now let us consider angle ABC and angle CDE. ABC is nothing but angle ABE plus angle CBE. Correct? Okay. Now ये हो गया CDE. CDE as it is रखते हैं. Okay. ABE I know is 90 degrees. CBE plus CDE is 180 degrees. So this is 270 degrees. Students, it's very easy. Okay. ये प्लस ये का वैल्यू मिल गया एंड इसका वैल्यू मिल गया. सो इन शॉर्ट वी गॉट द वैल्यू ऑफ ABC plus CDE. इट इज़ 270. We just split this angle ABC into two parts. It is ABE plus CBE. ABE is 90 degrees, CBE with CDE gives 180 degrees. Okay, they are opposite angles and therefore they are supplementary. That is उनका measure is 180 degrees. So it is very easy. Same thing you can do when you join AD. Okay, AD को अगर join कर लिया तो over here ADE will be 90 degrees and you will get a quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, so ABC plus ADC will give 180 degrees. Okay, so same way में solve करना है उसको. Okay, so let's say you have joined AD. I'll just show you. Now let us consider AD. ठीक है, let's say you joined AD. So what will happen? ADE will be 90 degrees. Okay, angle ADE 90 degrees and ABCD will be a cyclic quadrilateral. So angle ABC plus angle CDA will be 180 degrees. Why am I considering ABC plus CDA? I need to find ABC plus CDE. ABC plus CDE find करना है, but I know this angle plus this angle. This is a cyclic quadrilateral, so opposite angles are supplementary. ABC plus CDA will give 180 degrees. So I have this. So ABC plus CDE is what? ABC plus CDA. CDE को मैं split कर रही हूँ. It is CDA plus ADE. Okay. ABC plus CDA is 180 degrees. ADE is 90 degrees. So this gives 270 degrees. So students, whichever way you find, you are going to get correct answer as long as your method is correct. Okay. So if you join AD, ऐसे solve करना है. Okay. Now I have joined BE over here. So now let us start with the solution. We'll give proper reasons for each and every step. Now we have already constructed BE. So we'll start with the diameter first. ठीक है. AE is the diameter of the circle. This is the only information given to us. So AE subtends angle ABE on circumference of the circle. So therefore Angle AB is 90 degrees. Angle of semicircle, give reason. Okay, this in fact is a sufficient reason. But if you are given textual reason, then angle of semicircle हो जाता है ये. Okay, diameter divides the circle into two equal parts, and the angle on the circumference in a semicircle is always 90 degrees. Okay, so ABE मिल गया, it is 90 degrees. Now we have to find ABC plus CDE. Okay, now for that we already got this angle, and ये angle, ये triangle को छोड़ के notice this part, this is the quadrilateral, cyclic quadrilateral BCDE. Okay, so first we'll write down that this is a cyclic quadrilateral. Quadrilateral BCDE is a cyclic quadrilateral. Since points B, C, D, E are lying on the circumference of the circle, okay, now since this is a cyclic quadrilateral, we'll consider the opposite angles wala property over here. We know opposite angles are supplementary. Okay, now ABC and CDE hai. Are any of these angles over here? Yes, I have angle CDE, so we'll consider this angle and its opposite angle. Correct? So angle CDE plus angle CBE is equal to 180 degrees. Mark this as 1. Okay, and give reason over here. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Now CDE plus CBE मिल गया, but what is our aim? Our aim is ABC plus CDE. So let us write down ABC plus CDE. Angle ABC plus angle CDE. Now students, ABC is nothing but ABE plus CBE. So we'll split this. It is angle ABE plus angle CBE, and this is as it is. ठीक है, ये as it is रखा है. All right. Now ABE plus CBE plus CDE हो जाता है. ABE I know is 90 degrees. Okay, and CBE plus CDE is equal to 180 degrees. Mark this as 1 actually, and mark this as 2. Okay, so CBE plus CDE is 180 degrees. So write down the reason from 1 and 2. Values substitute किया, ABE का value and CBE and CDE का value. वो 90 plus 180 will give 270. So ABC plus CDE is equal to 270. Write down and box it. Angle ABC plus angle CDE is equal to 270 degrees. Okay, so it's very easy.